Hi, my name is Carl Edvaldsen. I am the CEO of an amazing environmental solution engineering firm called ReSource International. We are dedicated in making our world a sustainable world. We have a broad range of services in the field of environmental solutions. For instance, in the field of environmental consultancy, operation, maintenance, field measurements, as well as conducting world-leading R&D projects. We believe that the environmental solution of today and the future need to follow the world of future technology. We have therefore built up a team of specialists in the field of science, environmental science, but also in the field of IT digitalization, so that our customers can visualize and use data in a modern and easy manner. One such solution is our new IT solution on managing landfills, where our many years of experience and expertise on landfill operation, maintenance, and consultancy has led us to develop a friendly, easy-to-use digitalized platform for landfill management. We call it eLandfill. eLandfill is a cloud-based digital platform that handles all tasks related to landfill operation. The cloud-based platform allows operators to access in one place all the data that they need to follow up on the status and health of the landfill. Environmental reporting becomes a simple routine through visualization and easy access through eLandfill. As I mentioned, our services in environmental issues is broad. However, we believe our core services are in the field of waste management and the circular economy. We have been working with companies, municipalities, and governmental organizations in many fields related to the future of a non-waste society. Well, that is our goal at least. We have officials in Iceland, offices in Iceland, Norway, Sweden, and Switzerland. If you want to know more about our expertise and projects, please visit our webpage at resource.is.